Hey everyone! Have you heard about the new bot that everyone's talking about? You might have seen its videos popping up on TikTok or in Telegram groups, and maybe you thought it's just another project. But the reality is different. People are saying it's the next Blum, a huge project that could completely change the game. And it's got strong backing from well-known sources. So if you like being early and ahead of the crowd, buckle up because today we're diving into this bot. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now let me explain right from the start. The team behind this project isn't a bunch of amateurs. These are professionals who know what they're doing. There's even talk that this project is backed by Binance, which is a massive deal by itself. But what makes this bot stand out from the rest? Simply put, it operates just like Blum, but it's faster and lighter. That's a big advantage, especially if you're looking for quick profits. Let's get into the basics. When you open the bot, you'll find the link in the video description. You'll be greeted by a simple and user-friendly interface. All you need to do is click Create Account and pick a username you like. If it's available, you're good to go, and after that, you'll land on the main interface. It's very similar to Blum, but with some small tweaks that make it even better. Now that you've got your account, it's time to start farming. Just like in Blum, all you need to do is press Start Farming, come back every 8 hours to claim your rewards, and start over again. It's simple and straightforward. Every time you claim, you gather more points, and the more points you collect, the more you earn. But that's not all. There's a game within the bot called Catch 'em, which is similar to the drop game in Blum. The game is easy. You gather coins while avoiding bombs that can wipe out all the points you've collected. It adds a fun challenge to the whole process. Another cool feature is the Daily Booster, which helps speed up your farming. For 50 flames, you can get a random speed boost, anywhere from 1x to 3x, meaning your farming will go faster and you'll collect points quicker. Lastly, there are the tasks. These are daily missions that, if you complete, will give you extra points. But keep in mind, not all tasks are easy. Some involve complex swaps or network operations. Just do what you can, claim your points, and don't miss out on these free rewards. And that's pretty much it. If you missed out on dogs or any other big project, this bot is your second chance. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.